Welcome back to another video. In this video, we are going to explore how to create a custom MetaHuman head and export into Maya. I'll show you the female head we are using to create a blend shape using MetaHuman. If you want, you can use a male head as well, kid, boy, any of, but that should be semi-realistic or realistic. So as you can see, we have very basic head. So once you open your Unreal Engine, you have to select film, video and live event and ray tracing on, and then you just give your project name. So once Unreal Engine open, you have to go to edit, then plugins and search Quixel Bridge. You should own this plugin to work on MetaHuman. You just check this, and to using MetaHuman we need separate app for Quixel Bridge as well. So once you click on this link, it may take you to another tab. From this you can download Quixel Bridge app separately to work with Unreal Engine. Without that it's not possible, so we need this plugin or separate app as well. So once you have downloaded this, come back to Unreal Engine. So here you have to search MetaHuman plugin as well. If it is unchecked, then check it, and it may require restart your Unreal Engine. Then hit click on yes and restart. So once Unreal Engine restarted, you have to search again MetaHuman. If it is checked or not, just type it MetaHuman. As you can see, it's already checked, and so now you just enable some missing project setting if it is pop up. Now you have to go to content drawer. Here we have to create another new folder. So right click on content, new folder, rename it according to your project, or hit click on enter and drag and drop your basic head into this. So drag and drop your custom head in this folder, import all and open it in content drawer. As you can see, it's already imported. If you see any message from here, just close it, open it again. Here you have to do the shortcut is control space to open content drawer. So just add MetaHuman animator and MetaHuman identity. So rename it according to your head. So once rename, you have to double click on that identity. It may take few seconds to load it. Just wait. Okay. So from here we have to select create component. So just select create component from mesh and your female head which we imported earlier. It take a bit time to load it, just wait for that. So our head is loaded. You can see we have just only head. That head should be neutral pose. As you can see, neutral pose should be selected, and then body we have some presets, so you can choose any of one. If you want skinny, average or fatty, you can choose. So we are going to select moderate, neutral pose again, and then you have to hit click on promote frame. So once you click, it may show you one pop-up. It can lock your front view front view screen it may lock it, and then you have to click track markers. Hit click on it. It may show you one trackers on your face. So here you have to adjust according to your head. So just zoom it. You just see, as you can see, lips and all, everything's like pretty good. We don't need those iris circle, so we can remove that in both of the side. So it's almost 80 to 90% it's matching according to our reference, but there are some few points which is coming down. So uh, you have to just follow your model positions or everything to match those lines. So just place it all over your eyes line. If you don't know like where you have to place those lines, just hit click on that eye button. You can see like where you have to place that line to your model. So the same way you have to follow both of the side. So once you have completed your placements, just hit click on MetaHuman Identity Solve. So it will calculate your trackers where you have placed. Just wait for a few seconds. So once done, so now you have to click Mesh to MetaHuman. Once you click, it may show you two options: auto rig identity skeleton mesh only, or you want full mesh, full skeletal mesh. If you want, then you have to click on that. Yeah, so here you have to log in it with your account. If you have already Gmail account, you can connect with that as well. If you don't have, then you can create brand new account to use Unreal Engine. So once you created your account, it may show you waiting for MetaHuman backend. So it can take your simple head to MetaHuman backend. So just wait to load it. So once process done, your MetaHuman is available in Creator and Bridge. So you have to hit click on OK. After that, you have to go to your Chrome browser, type MetaHuman Unreal Engine. Okay, so here you have to select your Unreal Engine version. If you are working in 5.2, you have to select that and launch. It may take 1 to 2 minutes to load. As you can see, our model is already available in this MetaHuman creators. So we already gave head test, and we have selected body types as well, so that's also projected. So if you want to see is it 100% wrapped to our base model. For that you have to go to your Unreal Engine, just check. So just click on this view mix, and as you can see in that right side, that's our basic head, and in the left side's MetaHuman head, which is projected based on our uh, female head. You can see the difference, it's 100% matching. So now you just come back to Creator Studio. If you want, you can edit it. So here we are going to edit some hairs, skin textures, eyebrows, so body proportion, everything we have. Enable editing if you want, but first of all we have to assign skin texture to use or work on it. So once you assign skin texture, you can select according to your choice or your reference, and how fastly it may reflecting to our base model. And it's pretty easy and pretty good software to work on it. We have some presets for eyes, iris as well. As you can see, it's fully detailed skin texture, eyebrows and all, everything is like fully realistic. And there are some skin fur as well, so we can give this epic ray tracing. As you can see, it's pretty detailed all over. So here we are going to do some customization to our head. Let's start. If you want to modify the teeth, you can just click on the teeth option. You can scale it, you can rotate it. We have some varieties, narrow. It's fully customization. We have so many unlimited customization to our MetaHuman head, and that's working pretty well. So there are some teeth varieties as well. We can we can slide it and we can see which kind of teeth we require to our model. So we can do that. We can select one of them and you can keep teeth color whichever you want, gum color, everything we have in this makeup. We can apply some foundation as well in this. We just select any of these. I guess this is pretty good. Okay, so here is, we can go for a head. There are some style, there are some hairs is available. So as you can see, we have variety of hairstyles here, so you can choose one of them to see how it looks. And I guess it's these hairs are like in development mode, so some of hair will be won't work. It's just for in experimental mode as of now, but later we may got these hairs as well to work on it. So I guess this looks pretty good, so we just keep that. So we can change some eyebrows as well. There are some styles for eyebrows, so you can choose any of these which looks good. Detailed eyelashes, you can change eyelashes styles as well. So we can, okay, I can keep this looks pretty good. Okay, I can go for this. Mustache beard for men's. Okay, proportion if you want, we have three as of now. We have three variants for both female and male. If you want petty female, you can add, you can choose that as well. If you want skinny, you can use that as well. And we can we can go for a average one, and there is other two options, shorts one and tall. You can use according to your choice. There are uh, some clothes, tops, bottom, shoes. We can, we don't have much variety of here, but we can choose one of them to keep. Okay, so once you hit click on custom mesh, there are some you can customize your mesh. For that you have to enable it, so unlock only. And once you unlock, there will be one option available which is called sculpt. So once you hit click on sculpt, you'll have so many points over your face. So you can choose which is symmetrical. You can use unsymmetrical as well. If you choose, you can modify your shapes according to reference. You can match it. It's like a fully customization. So once you have done with your customization, there are some presets. You can make your model surprise. There are some other presets as well. In that you can make it sad, fear, surprise again, artistic. You can make some pose. It's pre-default pose, emotional, again happy. We can keep our model in default position. Okay, so now we are done with our MetaHuman. So we are going to close it, and that will be reflect into our Quixel bridge. So we just close it. So you just close this MetaHuman creator. Now you have to go to your Quixel bridge. So now you can see it's available here. So that will be available in your Unreal Engine as well. Unreal Engine in Quixel bridge plugin. Select, open it, and here you can hit click on MetaHuman, and in down you can see my MetaHuman which you created. I have already created once earlier. So now we have created this one, head test. So to work on it you have to download it. So it's inbuilt Quixel bridge, and there is one more app. It's Quixel bridge. It's a separate from Unreal Engine. So you have to go with that. Just click on this. Just close this as well. So this one is separate Quixel bridge app. So here also this MetaHuman is available. So from here you have to uh, download. Before download there are some few setting, export setting. In that export setting you have to hit check Maya, and you have to install Maya plugins in that only. If you want to use this same MetaHuman to any of the software, you can hit click on that and download plugins as well. As you can see, so we are using this for Maya. So that plugins is already installed. Everything should be default, you don't need to do anything. So that format should be EXR models. Maya preset should be Maya, Megascan, FBX, and this MetaHuman should be UAsset and Source Asset as well. If you want LODs, you can hit click on all these LODs, or if you want high, you can just click on LODs 0. So just back, there are some options for download as well. You don't need to change anything as of now, it's pre-default. If you want any of these, you can check and experiment with your own. And here also I can make remain same, the same MetaHumans. So right now you have to hit click on download. So select resolution according to your choice. If you want 1K, 2K, so I'm going to select 2K as of now. 8K might take some times, so that's why I'm selecting 2K and download. Downloading might be take some times, depends on your internet speed. So our download is completed, as you can see. So now we just open your Maya also in background, and you just check Maya should be selected in this. Everything should remain same, no need to change anything. Textures and all, you don't need to do anything here as well. So that should be selected, both of these LODs. If you want both of all these LODs, you can check, or according to your choice. Now export it. So once you click on export, go back to your Maya. It may show one pop-up here. So that MS plugin should automatic installed in your Maya. To give all the permission and hit click on yes. So it may take sometimes nearly 5 minutes to load it everything. So just wait to the load. So as you can see, our model is imported into Maya with the texture and everything. There were some features like clothes and hairs, those are experimental as of now, so that's why they didn't load it. But we have that head pretty detailed and textured, everything is there. So you can just see the texture details and everything is very fine. And we have those rigs. So this one is high resolution LODs. If you want lower LODs as well, so you can click any of these, like 0 4. You can check the resolution is very less. So if you want any of these LODs, if you want to work on it, you can use that as well. Everything is got connected with the facial rig. So we are going to work on high LODs, high resolution mesh. We just, as you can see, so here we are going to Okay, so you can see it's pretty realistic. All the shapes and all those points, joint base points, facial rig is available in our Maya. So with the help of this, we can create all the blend shapes, and it's working pretty good. It's almost realistic. As you can see, it's pretty good detailed. All these blend shapes, it's almost fully. So you can explore all these joint space blend shapes, go with each one and create your own blend shape and take it out and duplicate it as well. But before that, if you are importing this MetaHuman into Maya, you have to go to your preference, display, and this render engine should be DirectX 11, and save it and close it. After that only you just open it. Because of that you may experience textures and all won't load, so just enable it. So you just go through with all these joint base facial expression, and everything is got connected. If you want your if you want this shape to use it, you just duplicate it, control D, keep it out, and you can just make a duplicate or of these blend shapes. So so through that you can create all those blend shapes. So I guess you guys like it. If you like it, please follow, and I'll get back to you another video. Thank you so much for watching my video.